Alex Olsson and Caleb Travis join me now. First, let's start with you, Alex. You're from Sweden. Let's talk about your adjustment to playing here in North America.
Yeah, I would say it's the small rinks is the biggest difference. If it's small, okay. But either I think it's the same.
Perfect. And let's go to you now, Caleb. Your guys' first trip out here to Canada. What's it been like for you guys at all?
I think it's been a really good time. Like, it's been a really good time for all the guys to get together, you know, get away from the States, get out of our divisions, play some different teams and some good hockey teams as well. I just think it's been a really good bonding experience for all the guys.
Now, you guys had a big win last night against Meadow Lake. You guys had a little bit of a skid. Can you talk about, Caleb, just now that trying to turn those tables for the team, what can go into that?
Well, I think last night was definitely a really good turning point for us. We got to take that last night's win and we just got to turn with it and go. We got to turn on the Jets. We just got to start winning and staying on top of our game.
Perfect. And for you tonight, Alex, you're not starting in net. Well, what is kind of the message that the team is getting, first of all, from coaching and something that you can for tonight?
Yeah, I know. Just continue to play just get some boosters going.
Now, something that we've been talking about a little bit off camera is the difference in the arena. Tonight, you guys are playing in a beautiful arena. What has this been like for you, just seeing when you guys first walked in, seeing a beautiful facility like this?
Yeah, I must say I love it. I play here. It's waiting for me.
I think it's a really good atmosphere to be playing in, and it'll definitely bring the boys' energy up tonight.
Perfect. And finally, just kind of your last thoughts, just when it comes to what's next for your guys' season.
Well, we just gotta keep working hard every single day. And we just gotta keep working hard. You know?
Yeah, get everything together, come as a team, and win some games.
Perfect. So thank you for joining us, boys. But let's head back into the studio and see what's going on with them.